What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Soulfly Trades here, back with another video. But before I get started this video, I just want to thank all my supporters, everybody who's who encourages me to keep going, even when I feel like things aren't looking good. I just want to thank everybody for supporting me and being there for me. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the money. And like I always say, if you like making money, if you like flexing on your ex, well, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it here. So I took two trades today that netted me 6,000. Give me 1 second. It netted me around $6,575. My first trade was on these call options here. Once I had a break of structure in this zone, I had to chase price slightly, but I seen buying volume come with this candlestick. So I got in right here. My stop loss was right under these lows right here. My take profit was this key level right here. Once price was around this candlestick, I was around 15 to 17 pips in profit. I added 3 more contracts. So I had around 4 contracts on this one, and it hit my take profit, and I made 5,200 on that trade from 4 contracts. It moved about almost 100. Like I got like 80 something ticks in that play. From around, I'd say 1538 to 1544. Around that area, so almost like 80 ticks. But in my second play, I knew that we were coming up to this daily resistance that I have marked, this green line. Any lines that are green means I found it on my daily or my weekly. Any lines that are orange mean I found it on my hourly or any other, usually my 60-minute time frame. Long story short, I was waiting for a break under this demand zone that I have here with volume confirming it. So I got in pretty much on this candlestick right here. My stop loss was around, bro, we were so close to ticking my stop loss. My stop loss was like kind of at the neck of this candle right here. Because I knew if we reached up there, buyers could possibly, push price back up again. But we fell below, which gave me a sigh of relief. And my stop loss was at this key level right here. So I got in a trade up here. I had around, I had 1 contract. As soon as I got around, I'd say 15 or 17 pips in profit. Like I always do, I add, well, it's part of my strategy now. I add another contract and move my stop loss in profit. So that way it becomes a risk-free trade, and since I'm adding on another contract, I'm not all nervous thinking I'm over leveraging, because I'm not. I wait until my first contract is in profit, and like in profit enough for me to be able to move my stop loss past break even in profits. So even if it was to pull back after I buy another contract, I'm still in profits. So that's how I like to play that right there. But yeah, those were my 2 plays. Honestly, today I caught longs and I caught shorts. But like I always say, trading is very risky and it's very hard. It's 80% mental and 20% technical. You're going to be waiting majority of the time. Like you're gonna wait most of the time just to trade for around, I mean, depending on what time frame you like to trade in. I'm a intraday trader mainly, so I can wait like an hour and a half just to get in a trade for 10-15 minutes. But in those 10-15 minutes of me waiting, I'm making what people make in a month or in a year. I mean, in a month or like a week or something, like there were 2 weeks, you know what I mean? So you just got to remember, keep your risk management tight, always be aware of what you're doing, and remember, try not to get greedy, because price will always retrace. I mean, to a certain extent, you'll always kind of be chasing price to a certain extent, because you'll never get that exact. I mean, you can, but it's not all, you won't always get that exact level that you want to get. Maybe, say for instance, we came up to this resistance zone, but it, we were like 2 ticks away or something like that. That's still valid for me to get in, because we're rejecting this area, this general area. You want to treat these levels as general areas, like a rubber band, because, rubber bands pull back and pop. That's how you want to treat it sometimes. As you can see here, the rubber band effect. It fell below this level, boom, reclaimed it, the rubber band effect. But yeah, it's really simple. Today, CPI data crushed it. I'm loving it. But yeah, we had some good increasing volume on these candlesticks, especially the selling volume. Once I seen the selling volume come in, I was happy. But yeah, other than that, I really do appreciate everybody for tuning in. And I passed my 100K challenge account. I'm just waiting. Well, I passed it pretty early, so the rules are you have to have 7 trading days, and I haven't been trading for 7 days. Since I had taken that 2-week break and everything, resetted my account, started it again this week, and I passed the challenge, but I just have to have the full 7 trading days. But once I get that certificate and everything, I'll make sure I show you guys the certificate just so you guys can see some proof. But it's also proof right here. You know, I have to make $6,000 without going down below my daily trailing threshold. And as you guys can see here, I'm well over $6,000. So I'm now under management of $100,000. I'm very pleased to say that. Very pleased to say that I've been working so hard, you know, and it's good to see some things finally paying off. With hard work, with hard work, anything can be accomplished. You know, a hard worker will beat anybody with talent any day. I could tell you that, you know, because you can have talent, but if you're not working hard, whoever's working hard eventually is gonna pass the talent that you have naturally. But yeah, without further ado, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Trade smart, trade safe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.